There is only one way, the way of discipline. There must be discipline. Discipline is the root of all good qualities. I will be ready, mentally, physically, and emotionally. I will be ready. I train brutally and without mercy so that I can fight brutally and without mercy. I will live a life worthy of the long line of warriors that have come before me. I will start right here. I will start right now. I will initiate action. I stop thinking about what I want to do and I do it now. I take the first step and make it happen. The only person I can control is me. I focus on making myself who I want to be. Faster, stronger, smarter, less ego. I discipline my body. I get up early and go. Discipline starts with waking up early. It is working out every day, making myself stronger and faster and more flexible and healthier. Discipline is eating the right foods. I discipline my emotions so that I can make good decisions. I have the discipline to control my ego. Discipline is about treating people the way I want to be treated. Discipline is about doing the tasks that I don't want to do but I know will help. Discipline is about facing fears so that I can conquer them. Discipline is taking the hard road, the uphill road.